I've never seen something that's been quite as affecting the audience. You could hear people crying in the audience, but really sort of moved by it. Really amazing.
Yeah, really enjoyed it. I'm actually writing something at the moment to do with miscarriage because I've been through it myself with my partner. So yeah, very affecting, very powerful. It's very human.
What I really enjoyed about the performance tonight was the near tangible sincerity and truth. And I think what really shines through in a show like this is the first thing that hits you is the importance of it. But I think there is such a resonance with the audience because when you're watching, you also realise how many people you know that that have had issues with fertility and miscarriage, and I think it's a very uniting force.
I thought the actors were great. I feel like they really stepped up tonight on the emotion after already doing such a long run of shows, and I feel like the issue itself, it could be a really good play as a TIE.
I recommend it especially to all men, giving insight into what women go through with pregnancy and anyone else really, because it's a classic piece of drama.